Oh, hi! I thought I'd just do a little bit of fishing tonight and film, like usual. What I'm going to do tonight is a product review. These are the two Realis Ninmushi, they're topwater bugs. I don't know that they're available anywhere in the United States yet, other than my website, jaggedtoothdtackle.com. I am sitting on a nice bass lake that's, it's great for topwater. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to bring these with. My backup rod is going to be my Topwater frog casting bait caster. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook these up with a Mustad Big Mouth 38084 series. I'll link both of these in the description below if you're interested. See how the review goes. But I'm going to put this on my casting rig tonight. And I am going to Texas rig these soft plastics. They don't come with their own hooks. And I'm going to give these a topwater shot. We have beetles that land in the water here in Minnesota, and we also have the dragonfly larvae. I think they're huggelmites. I'm probably not saying that correctly. But what I thought, if there's a good topwater bite on this lake, these guys are kind of slimy. They're salt scented. They're very soft. They're buoyant. And I thought a bug hitting the water might be the ticket too. And I'm also curious to see if it helps with my hookup ratio. The topwater frog, I did pretty well hooking up ratio last time, but let's see if this is a little bit better. And the reason I'm using my spinning reel is they feel a little bit lighter than they're actually a lot lighter. I don't know these cast very good with my bait caster, so I'm going to give this a shot in the wind. And I'm hoping the later it gets, it just keeps getting less and less wind as I've been dealing with it all day. All right, Texas rig. Should be completely weedless. I don't know if I got enough hook exposed, if I got the right size. I'll work it a little bit. Oh yeah, that'll be perfect. I'll let that sit on the top of the water, and I'll just push that along and see how this goes tonight. Okay, guys, one slight modification. He does not float with the swivel on, which I probably shouldn't have it on there anyway. Otherwise, now throwing him on there, it really, so far I think this is going to be a good bait tonight, whether or not I can hook up with the way I have it hooked. It sits on top of the water, you give it a little pop, it chugs, it floats. I mean, it looks like a beetle swimming around, so I'm going to get unloaded, and I'm really going to go out fishing, so let's get fishing. Really? This is what I catch? That's not what I'm looking for. There we go. Oh, don't go in there. That's where my tether is. John A just called me, and he must be my good luck, because this is all right. Isn't that huge? Come on. But I'll take that one. I missed one right before he called and I got him. Don't know if it's the same one or not, but I don't want to say I missed the last one. The other one missed my bait. Let him go. But you can see what happens to my bait here. It's a pretty weedy lake, but uh-oh, don't get tangled. It slides up the line so bad. I think I tangled myself. That's my fault. If I was smart, I would have just unwinded it and slipped it back through. I'm going to cut off and retie again, but so far, I like this other than it slides up my line, but I think that's a soft plastics problem, not a Ninmushi problem. Gosh, big one right here. That's it. Broke my line. Oh my gosh. That guy wanted it. That's a good one. Stay on. Oh, that's a good one. You are a tank. You are coming in. Okay, you're not a tank, but you definitely fought hard. Whew, I needed you after breaking my line, my last one. That's exciting. There we go. Kind of surprised me. Not ready for you at all. You guys are probably wondering why I stopped. Ow! Stopped using the Ninmushi. Okay, that scared me. He got off and switched to the frog. Not too bad. Got hooked right there a little bit. Let me see if I can catch another fish and calm down a little bit. That kind of scared me a little bit. Change my shorts out real quick. There we got a nice one. I thought I'm cranking for that. Wow, that lasts. Let's turn the front camera on. It's a dangerous move. If he's hooked, he's hooked. Seriously. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. Big ball of weed to go with them. Okay. That's a bucket head. You guys are probably wondering why I switched to the frog over the Ninmushi. And tell you what, they both got their place. This guy's got beat up tail. The frog is easier to cast. The hookup ratio has been horrible. I got 3 nice ones. The thing is, the frog, you're not going to catch the smaller ones. Whereas the Ninmushi, I was hooking everything. I actually hooked onto my largest one and broke my line. Let's get a nice little selfie here. So like I said, I will use the Ninmushi again. More product testing is going to be needed. I will link the frog and the bass, or the frog and the Ninmushi lure in the description below. I'm going to give the frog a little bit more. I'm not going to retie the other line, otherwise I'd fish that some more. It's the frog, easier to fish, harder to hook up. Ninmushi, not bad. You have to fix the lure every time when you catch a fish. And the hookup ratio is outstanding. So they each got pros and cons, but I would fish them both. Oh, that was a good blow up. Good fish. I hope that was all on camera, because that fish came out of the water. It's a good one. Oh yeah. No! 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 Oh! There we go. Come on, get this one in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a chunk. It's definitely a chunk. Frog fishing. It's getting close to dark, but I think I got a few more casts left in me, because these are too much fun to pass up. I got a lot of good coverage. Right in front of me is a truck and a bass, so I got another 5-10 minutes of fishing. All right, come back. I just had a blow up over here. There he is. Oh, there's a paddling. You come back for it. I'm gonna get closer. That's a nice bass then. Oh, that's a nice bass, period. I say it's nice to come back for me. That's a chunk. Oh, it's a good chunk. Good chunk. It's gonna be my last one of the night here as soon as I land him. Probably me setting the rod down helped him inhale it. I think I got a good hook set on him. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. Look at that guy. We'll weigh him out. That's what you call swallowing it. Oh, man. I think I should weigh this guy. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. I think this is probably gonna be the biggest of the day. Hoping three plus. 3, 4, 6. We will call him 3.5 pounds. I think you're due for a little bit of a slow-mo release. Say goodbye to everybody and tell everybody to subscribe so you can see more of your brothers. There he goes. All right, thanks guys. Until next time.